Hi guys, today I'm changing the blade on my yard machine edger. This is a 140cc yard machine. Uses a 9-inch dual tip blade. And I change these usually 1 or 2 a year. So definitely time to change one today. Let me show you what it looks like now. Used to look like this. Now I'm still getting a little bit of a cut all the way and low here, but you know, it's not really what I want. It's not cutting like I want it to. So pick this up from Home Depot. Simple enough, because it even says yard machine on here. Troy built and others, 9-inch by 2.5 inch. It's important that you get the right hole, the hole size. So that's a 5/8 center hole. I think this was like $4.50. So not really that bad. To change the blade out, got a wrench here, 24 millimeter, or at least the socket here is a 24 millimeter, and I'm going to be holding it back here on this bolt. It's just one bolt that goes through, and then there's a nut here with a you know, built-on washer. So the wrench, what size is this? I can't even read that, but yeah, 24 millimeter would do it. So I'm going to go ahead and break this loose and take off the old blade. And before taking the blade off, I've put it in the neutral position up here. So I've raised the blade off the ground as far as I can. So let's go ahead and try to break the nut here. So that's all there is to changing a blade on a yard machine edger. Again, this is the 140cc 4-cycle edger. Thanks guys for watching. Hope it's been helpful. Until next time, have a great day. Take care.